Hello, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and we have this Bianca that I've been emailing a few times about to Jim, also first line, to get a new pump. So pretty much what we did is we took our personal Bianca, which is a V1. This is the V3. This is a month-old machine. Um, we took the pump because the pump, when it was plumbed, or when it was, when it was plumbed to our water line, it would just give out. It would pump to 10 bars, and then it would go to 4, and it would just cut all water going through the machine. So what we did is we took our pump from our V1 and we put it in here with, of course, the mount to get it hosed, and it's working perfectly fine. So just to show, we're looking at 12. This is we didn't adjust this pump or anything. We leave this in the showroom just so people have a gauge of what their machine would be on the counter. So it's going to go to 12. But about right now, if you were to use it on the brand new pump from the 1-month-old machine, it would give out to 4, and then the pump would just give out completely. It will make a rattling noise as if the line pressure was pushing it itself, which it was. So this is going to be the first part. Now we're going to get our personal Bianca and put the 1-month-old pump into it, and we're going to mimic the problem to show that it is the pump.